Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a couple of Mickey Mouse animated lamps, and this equipment belongs to Maryland from Florida, and she actually has 7 lamps at the shop at this time, and we're going to do one lamp at a time. So we're going to troubleshoot each lamp, and this is the initial checkout. Now we can't get all the lamps here in the video, but we're going to show you 2 lamps, because when people think of these Disney Mickey Mouse animated lamps, you would think that most of them are all animated, and they are. There is a few out there that are not animated. They only talk. They do not move. And that's the reason why we want to put these 2 lamps up, so that we can show you the difference. Now, none of our lamps work. That's why they're in the shop. They need to be repaired. And the one on the left here is a Toon Disney Channel lamp, and this lamp is not animated. It does not move. Basically, it has the same design, but there's no servo inside this unit. So it only talks. And we're going to show you the difference between the lamp on the right, which does move when it talks, and that is the lamp that you will see most of the time. And there were different makers of the lamp. Even though they keep the same basic design, they had different manufacturers. And so what we want to do is we want to start out with the lamp that is on the left here. And this probably is the newest lamp that's in the shop. And right here, we'll do a still picture of that. Is the Disney or the Toon Disney Channel lamp. And we want to show you the bottom of this lamp, and we've marked everything so we know which lamp is which lamp. This one says the Mickey Mouse talking lamp. Does not say anything about being animated. And then once again we have the Mickey Mouse talking lamp and some basic requirements there of the bulb and the voltage and things. So we'll also do a still picture of that. Now on this bottom cover, it says, and it's by a different company, this is King America here, Mickey Mouse animated talking lamp. And then over here, once again, under the model, it says Mickey Mouse animated talking lamp. And this is the lamp that actually will move when it talks. So now what we want to do is we kind of want to move the 2 plates out of the way, our bottom covers, and we have them apart because we have to troubleshoot these lamps. And I'm going to try to get this in here so that you can see what I'm talking about. And we'll do some still pictures of this so that you'll kind of get the idea of what's going on. Now, when you have just a talking lamp, there will be no wires in this area going up into Mickey here. There's a little hole here, and you would have 4 wires going into that hole to run the switches and servos in there. And this lamp does not have any of that. So there's nothing going up into that hole. So this is just a talking lamp. Now on the lamp that is actually talking and animated, I want to give you a little more light here. Now you'll notice here that we have two yellow wires, we have a black wire, and a red wire, and that leads up into that little hole that goes up into Mickey, and that would control the servos and the switches. So there is a difference between some of these lamps. Now what we want to do is we're going to take the Mickey on the left, which is the talking lamp. It's not animated, it just talks, and then the light comes on. We're going to troubleshoot this lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this talking Mickey Mouse lamp. And this is not an animated Mickey Mouse lamp. It does not move when it talks. And so what we want to do is start our final checkout. And we're going to go ahead, we have the unit plugged in, we want to turn our switch on.
What a bright idea!
And now what we can do is use the button, and that turns the unit off.
Like so.
And we'll do that one more time. I don't want to turn the lamp on and off too quickly. That's not good for them. The circuits that are in these lamps are very sensitive, and a lot of times what happens is power fluctuations will cause the lamp damage. We'll go ahead and turn them back on.
Now you can see what you're doing.
We'll wait a second. We'll turn him off. Go ahead and turn the unit off.
So long, pal.
We'll give it a second. We'll turn them back on. And there will be different sayings as you're turning the lamp off and on. We'll go ahead and turn the lamp on.
Ah, that's better.
Now we also want to talk about power surges. The electronics in these lamps are very sensitive, and when you have a power surge, it can definitely damage these lamps. And another thing you want to think about is the electrical outlets. That can act the same way as a power surge if the electrical outlet is in bad shape, it's old, or it has bad connections, or when you go to plug something into them, the plugs do not fit tight in them any longer. That's something that you want to try to replace. You do not want to plug these lamps into an electrical outlet that's really old, or it's loose, or it's getting bad connections. So you can always tell an electrical outlet when it's bad. When you go to plug something into it and it's kind of loose and it doesn't feel right, then you should change those electrical outlets. And bad connections can also cause this at the electrical outlet, or if it's on an outlet that has other multiple things plugged into it, and then all of a sudden you turn something on and it pulls the electric down a lot, that can be viewed as a power surge also. So since the electronics in these lamps are very sensitive, any type of power surge or situation can cause damage to these lamps, and then they would have to be repaired. Now that we know that this talking Mickey Mouse lamp has been repaired, we can return them to Marilyn, and she can enjoy this lamp once again. Now, the talking Mickey Mouse lamps and the talking animated Mickey Mouse lamps are all highly collectible, and they look really cool no matter where you use them. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.